Hi Atul, I'm just doing you a video to explain how to create a collection, how to add it to navigation, and then I'll do a separate video on how to do products and make sure that they're in the correct collection. So let's start from scratch with the bassinet liners. We're in the admin, we're going into products and then collections. Normally you'd search, but I've already cleared that out, so we'll say create collection. But it's always good to search to make sure you haven't already got one. We're going to create a collection called bassinet liners. It will automatically be set to available. There are a few situations where, for example, if you're preparing for something that you don't have yet, you might set it to disabled, but in this case you've already got the product, so we'll make sure it says available. If you've got a lot and you don't want to have to fuss with them and it's a very obvious category, I'd always set it to automatic. Something that's more esoteric that the computer can't decide for you what will go in it, you'd set it to manually. So we'll say the product title must contain bassinet and the product title must contain liner. Now we could just say the product title contains bassinet liner in all one word, but sometimes you might have something that says liner for bassinet. So by splitting them and saying it must contain both, that will cover both of them. Now if we save it, what we'll see, any day now, sorry it slows right down when we're videoing, is you've got a place here to put a description. For SEO purposes, it's really good to write a spiel there with keywords that people would look for bassinet liners. So it might be something like the sizes of the bassinet it fits, something about a close-fitting bassinet liner is important for blah, 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 and also maybe some brand names. So just get some keywords in there so that if people are searching, Google will find your collection and take people there. What you'll see now is that you've got a whole heap of products that have automatically been added. You can now search how to add them. When the store is up and running, I would sort most collections by best selling. It's going to be a little bit weird for the first few weeks because obviously you haven't got that sales. Oh, you have got the sales history. So yeah, go with the best selling. If you change your mind, you can also say alphabetically, by price, or by setting it manually. You can use these little things here. Oh, it's going to take a second or two before it refreshes because we're videoing. You can use these little handles here to drag the order to whatever you like. But I'm going to go back and set it to best selling. I think that's always a good way to sort collections in a big store. Okay. And then it's automatically saved it. So what we'll do is we'll go and add it to navigation. Right now you can view it. It says bassinet liners, and there are all your products. Now we just need to decide where to put it. I might put it under, now there's new arrivals, new arrivals is new in store. I'd put it under sleep. So let's go and add it under sleep. So we'll go into online store. Actually, I'm going to split this into a separate video, and that way if you have staff to show it to you, they won't have to watch collections first.